As y'all know from the title of the video, I'm coming today with a quick 5-minute comp card tutorial. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to need you to do is to head over to Canva. We'll be using this as the tool to make the comp card. Once you're over in Canva, I need you to navigate to Flyer, and it should be the dimensions of 5.5 to 8.5. So for me it pops up, but you might have to go search for it. And so this is going to be the dimensions that we use for the comp card. And then just create a blank. And so once you navigate to the blank flyer page, the first thing that I'm going to need you to do is to add a page, because we're going to have this be front-sided and back-sided. And so just to give you an idea of how it should look, this is my old version of my comp card. So I had the one on the front show my character and my personality more, but you can still see my length. Went for the simple name design as well. And then on the back, as you can see, I have my measurements. Everything's been changed. So, this isn't my information, but I have my measurements and then my socials and phone number as well. This is my social, it's Instagram, so follow me if you like. But I also went more so of a character showing and personality showing on this side as well. And so this is just a normal 4-quadrant comp card with the large front picture. And so I'm really just going to encourage you to stay simple. These pictures aren't perfect and aren't the best, and this isn't by any means my current comp card, but it served its purpose, and I actually did get casted for showings with this, so it works. People just like to see that you have it. The next thing you're going to do is upload your pictures. So you can click on upload files, and once you've uploaded your files, that's when we can begin importing them into the blank page. And so I now have my pictures imported into the document. And so now what you're going to do is we're just going to do a tad bit of formatting. And so this picture is going to serve to be the front, while these ones serve to be that 4-quadrant for the pictures that I have. And here I have my side profile, my half side profile, my full body picture, and then another full body, more personality picture as well. And this isn't a perfect science. I will just say you want your background to be clean. So you see how in all of these, there's no light fixtures, no wall hangings or paintings. Just make sure your pictures are clean. And so when I come back to you, you'll see the formatting that I've done, and you can emulate that as you see fit as well. And so now, just to re-emphasize, we are going to need information underneath these pictures, and then you can also include your name up here if you'd like. Again, just for purposes of this comp card, I'm not going to, but let's go over the information that should be contained underneath your pictures. So like I said, here's my first rendition of my comp card. I have my name up here with the 4 quadrants, but underneath here you should have your date of birth, your height, weight, waist, and shoe size, and then also you can put your phone number if you feel comfortable. I also did opt to put my phone number, but you should definitely have your Instagram and your email so that people can reach out to you for opportunities, or if you are casted. So this is the information that we should have. I'm now going to go back over to the document that I'm editing for you guys, just to show you how to put it. is the final product. You know, make sure everything's at least lined up. It looks nice and neat. People are more interested that you put forth the effort, right? For your face picture, you don't want to augment yourself too much. It very much so needs to be natural. So this is a nice put together comp card. I normally print mine at UPS or FedEx as well. I've also printed mine a couple times at Walgreens too. So that is it. You can pause it whenever you need to, but I really wanted this to be a quick showing. Be blessed. This is StarDom belonging to the Lord. I will catch y'all on the next one.